All right, all right, all right. This is a quickie, a little unprofessional. Wow, that mic is just peaking. Why is that happening? All right, all right, all right. There you go. So look, real quick. 8:30 non-farm payroll number comes in strong. Might not be good for the market. Comes in weak. People will think that the Fed will pivot. Personally, I don't think that's the case. I think the Feds are going to be consistent. Maybe drop back down to half a point, but they want to hit their goal. They want to hit their goal quick and then move on. They're not really worried about a recession. Not that they don't think it'll happen. They just really don't seem to care that it'll happen. So what are we looking at? Really, you know what? Anything we look at is neither here nor there, but pretty interesting little line right there. I'd watch that for a move down. The dailies obviously are in a downtrend. It looks like we made another high, but we could be setting up a bear flag. This is today's bar right there. So we could push and break that flag. I don't think it's going to run much. I'm saying 39.30 would be the highest if it ran, and I don't think that'll happen today. That's almost 200 points. So really, I mean, we're just going to have to see what goes on tomorrow. Not much more we could do. BTC in that channel. You can stay bullish watching this trend line. That's where we put it in. If it breaks, you can take a bearish tone and look for a retrace. Yeah, this all looks like a pretty good support right there. So I would just watch that line, retrace it. It made a nice move. It's getting some decent consolidation. A whole lot of attention coming or going into it. So that's it. Remain bullish until we break it. This looks like a reverse micro trend on this little down move. So good chance that's going to break and go to the downside there. Looking at oil, the Arabs are pushing up that oil price. Let's see if Biden does anything about it. It's at a resistance right now. 89.74 really is the resistance. Looks like it's putting in a couple of topping patterns. You got to see what the day closes. That throws me off looking at today's. But could be a couple of topping bars. Momentum is still strong. So I'm neutral to bullish pending a break of, well, it looks like it might have done it. A break of yesterday's high. Yesterday's high is 89.07. 89.37. It did. It broke it and pulled back. But could be a topping pattern. I'm going to have to say neutral to bullish right now, especially given the geopolitical issues. RTY we don't look at. That's the Russell. RBOB, gasoline. I'm bullish on gasoline. I'm not really feeling the top. A lot of congestion is probably going to grind its way up, but momentum is bullish, very bullish on gasoline. Nat gas, I think I was bullish on that too. Nope, neutral. Looks like it might be consolidating right around here. It's a fair price. Yeah, I think 714 is going to be its resistance. I mean, we could use this thing to come back down to into the fives, but until we get some resolution on the administration's relationship with U.S. oil, we're going to see high prices. Bonds. I'm neutral on bonds. That's a very aggressive move down. You got a slight bounce in it. I would have expected more. Looks like it could be putting in a trend reversal. So I am neutral to bullish on bonds. Looking at gold. Yeah, people are listening to what I'm saying. You got a double top on the 240s. I would watch that. So I'm neutral pending a break the low of 1709 or a break out of this pennant roughly around 1735. So neutral pending this channel, I'll call it. I mean, we can put the lines in. It's actually a pennant, but let's just move on, shall we? What else are we looking at here? Nothing else here. And then we pop over to here. And you know what? I'm not going to go through all these guys because non-farm is most important. Non-farm's at 8:30. I'm not going to go through the trade because you know what? I forgot. I was saying yesterday that I would hop online early and do that trade with everybody. But I had forgotten that my time is occupied on Fridays. So no live stream. I'll see you guys Monday. Calm, cool, and at peace when you trade. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, and then hit the road.